how to claim your Caesars Sportsbook bonus. If you want to claim your Caesars Sportsbook bonus, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now, first of all, you can claim a bonus during the welcome offer, that is whenever you're creating an account. So you tap the profile icon from the top right, then you go to this option that says create account. Over here you can see a welcome offer added will be automatically added when you first try to sign up, and later on when your account is created, the offer will be automatically redeemed to your account. Now in another case, if you want to go ahead and then find other offers and promotions, then what you can do is you can simply go to this option that says promos right here. Once you come to this promotions tab, you can see all the different type of promotions that they are currently offering. So you can get 50% parlay profit boost, you can get 30% UCL SGP profit boost. There will be all types of bonuses that you can claim, so you can simply choose a particular one you prefer and claim them. This way you will be able to claim your Caesars Sportsbook bonus. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.